All right, guys, it is time for break number 10 of our Gold Rush full-size helmet 2025 Series 1. Going through a fresh 4-box case, starting with this box. So all the teams were listed at TennskinBreaks.com. Jason's pretty much got most of them. So grabbed, I don't know, probably 2/3, 3/4 of the teams. So Jason, appreciate that. Justin, you're in on this. Rick's in on it. Both Ricks, Rick J, Rick M. So appreciate you, all you guys that are grabbing spots in this break. So we got break number 11 on the website now, so that'll fill up. If we can fill it tonight, we'll break it tonight. Otherwise, we'll break that coming up later this week. All right, so teams and spots to the right of your screen, taped and sealed up on the top and bottom. All right, guys, here we go. All right, we're going replica helmet. Maybe it means old school. Pittsburgh Steelers. Justin. Oh man, another. We're going back-to-back legends. This time on the defensive side. We got Jack Ham, Hall of Fame 88, legendary linebacker. Beckett authenticated. Nice hit there. All right, so 2 legends tonight. Justin, congratulations, man. We'll get that helmet in the mail tomorrow. Appreciate you guys jumping in. Go jump in on break number 11 on this site now.